bird with wings. Sometimes the humor of a bitter God just loses all its novelty. So now you get too drunk to sleep. You spend the night driving with one eye closed to keep the lines from doubling. What the note is. Replaying the gory scene incessantly. He forgot the safe word was imaginary. Forgot about my poor selective memory. Feeling like a fat kid at the beach, still weighing pros and cons of weak bulimic means that never reaching out. That's what you get for living in your head. You breathe 3 a.m. breath and tell yourself that this is for the best.